Okay, so we will try to do some transformation today. Basically, we'll start with translation and reflection. Okay, so I'd like to transform or translate a couple of polygons. Let's start with a triangle. So typically, just start with a triangle is a three vertex polygon. You may click on any 3 points that you want to start with. Okay. All right. Now, if you're interested in finding or showing the coordinates of each point, you may just click on the point and click on this icon here and click on name and value. All right. So if you want to try with that, we can do that with all the rest of the other points. Now we're ready to translate this. This is the icon where all the transformations are located. And for this one, we're interested in doing translation. So you click on translation. We will highlight the shape that we'd like to translate. And now we will do the vector. The vector is the function wherein it shows how much you wanted to move your shape. So if I'd like to move this one 3 units to the right and say 4 units down, you may click on any point in here that will serve as your reference point. Okay. Okay, I need to highlight the whole thing again. Okay. Alright, let's click on that. Alright, so this will be my reference point. You may go 3 units to the right and 4 units down. One, two, three, four. Four, okay? Alright, so if you notice, this original or pre-image shape is transformed over here. Okay, let's check from A to A prime. You go 1, 2, 3 units right and 4 units down. If you check for C, it's 1, 2, 3 and 4 units down. Okay, so this is the transformed image, and this is our pre-image. Alright, let's try a different shape. Um, let's try a regular quadrilateral. You can start with this one, that, okay, and make sure you close it, okay. All right, now if you're interested with adding a coordinate on any of these points, click on any of the points and click name and value, and of course you can do that with all the rest of the other points. Okay, so let's see if we can translate this one. Okay, again, highlight the whole thing, the whole shape. Click on a point. It will be your reference point. Okay. All right. So this will be your initial point. If you want to move it 1 unit to the left, and say 4 units down, 1 or 5 units down, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Okay. So this is how you do your translation over this program. Now let's try some reflection. Of course, you can choose different colors as well. All right, and we'll try to do that with reflection. Okay, so let's start a different shape. Okay, so I'd like to try this. Okay, let me see if I can change the color. Alright, so we changed the color. Now, if you're interested in adding coordinates to your points, whoops, don't want to do that. Click on the point, click on this one, name and value, you will have coordinate for this one. If you want to do J, you can do the same thing, and of course, if you want to do K, you can do the same thing as well. Alright, let's see. If we would like to reflect this shape over the y-axis. Okay, so click on your transformation icon, reflect about a line, highlight the whole shape, and click on the y-axis. Okay, let me see if I can click this one. Okay, I did not get the y-axis. There you go. Alright, so this is your pre-image and this is your image. And of course you can move your um, you can move this one so it's easier for you to see that. Okay. Alright, why don't we try to reflect over the x-axis? Let's draw another shape. Alright. This shape is the one that I'd like to try. This is an irregular pentagon. Okay, and I'd like to reflect this over the x-axis. So now I can just click on this one, reflect about a line, highlight the whole shape, then click on your reflection line, which is this, and there goes my image, pre-image, image. Of course, you can also add text to that. Okay, so if you wanted to type in uh, pre-image, okay, and you can put the pre-image here, and then type in another text, and you say image, and just move this one over here. All right? Okay. So this is a tutorial for translation and reflection, and of course there are other transformation you can do like rotation and dilation. Right?